You ain't done no guapa, nigga. Please just shut the fuck up now. Yeah, I just got home, but I ain't got time to run around. Yeah, I ain't got no time to shake up with no nigga. Oh no, you be talking like you ain't some nigga. We gon' let it go. We gon' push right at his head. We don't give a fuck about no chest, cause he might just have a vest. So we should rap for his name. That one is in my first day that I made a lot of this. For the club scene, flashing with it. To the project, they don't push that nigga rap with it. I said to me that microphone, you know what it say, yeah. Got a Glock sticker right on it, yeah. And just do it, oh yeah. Got a Nike check, I put a fucking bag all on his head. Yeah, he acting like you got it, but we know he pussy, yeah. I done hit a man, even wanna say, got his mama crying out. She just wanted me, laughing in the scene. This is like a big, I'm a dog overseas. I still vibe with YB. Been dancing with the devil, yeah, he be in my head. He say he's red rum, he want everybody dead. I just bring this, make them listen, yeah, I keep it in my bed. I be traumatized, I think they just wanna see me dead, yeah. Man, you talking like you got it, nigga. I say me too, yeah. I'm walking with it, yeah. I'm a nigga zombie, 26 is what they say, yeah. Alright then. I just talked to Shaw too. That boy out.
He hot?
Alright. At the house.
What?
Alright
Was
then.
that what?
Me and Buddha, that's why you think I was with Quay them yesterday.
Man, this shit crazy.
Alright then. But them boy getting out.
Oh, so what y'all pulled up on show?
I'm about to pull up on them if not tonight, tomorrow. For sure.
Oh, so what you with them boy right now?
Nah, I'm telling you, I'm in an interview right now.
Oh shit, tell them big slice on the line. Fuck wrong with them, bitch. Stop playing.
Ooh, oh, I'm gonna give you the number two. I'm gonna give Shaw a number right now.
Bruh.
How that look? Oh, there go Shaw. Shaw calling too.
Yeah.
Hold up. Hold up. I'm about to merge you in, bro. I'm about to merge y'all in. Hey, yeah, he on the phone, fam.
What's up, poor bitch? Who this is? Nigga, this slice, nigga. Fuck wrong with you? What's up, bitch? Fuck wrong with you, bitch? Fuck who it is? Two phones. You got, huh? I had two phones. Oh, I thought I was a dumb nigga.
Oh yeah.
Hey, nigga, that shit was jumping, bitch. I already know.
Man, that nigga was at the house.
What you doing? Hell cool. What is it for, nigga? Trying to get it. Yeah? Yeah. Sweet. You know I'm here with Bruce, bitch. Are you at Martin? Yeah. Oh, yeah. I did talk to him the other day. Oh, how long you been out, bitch? It's Wednesday. It's Wednesday? Yeah. All right. Hey, matter of fact, I'm gonna call y'all right back. People calling real quick. I'm gonna call y'all right back.
All right, 26, man.
26.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. It's your boy White Pree, and we back at the gas station. Today, we have a special episode. It's what? How long you been out? First week? For 2 weeks?
Yeah, another 2 weeks now. About
2 weeks. First 2 weeks out. You know what I'm saying? That's what I'm gonna name it. First 2 weeks out. You know what I'm saying? This is my dog from shit back in the day, man. It was like how long we know you know, dog? John.
Oh, what's that? Freshman year? What's that? Damn. What was that? 2011, 12?
It's been a minute. But this nigga been gone for 3 years.
Yeah.
You know what I'm saying? So the last time I seen you, I don't even remember the last time I seen you. What was the last time what was the last time I seen you? Cause I don't even.
Last time I see you, bro. Last time I see you, bro. That I actually see you, bro. Is when you came down from Georgia, bro. And you was staying where Andrew used to stay at, bro. Yeah, that girl, bro.
Oh yeah, you fought. Yeah, you fought. Oh yeah.
Yeah,
Damn, nigga.
I
See,
mean, if you're old as fuck. For real.
yeah, dog. So John, from them time, there everybody started do them one thing. John Gunn and Victor and everybody had do them one thing. Nigga, where the fuck have you been? What happened, nigga? Like, 'cause me no know that. I just see a post. I'm like, John, again.
Damn, yo, man. You know, fuck around, got probation. Fuck around, got probation.
John,
Got out there, escaped probation. I ain't really skated. I was like, I was doing wrong, but I was getting away with the wrong. So I feel like I was good. And I fucked around and got caught. Went to trial, beat them in trial. Feel like I done got away with murder, you feel me? So I went back out here. But I was chilling though. This time I was chilling. The same cracker seen me. No offense, but they're the saying police. When I say cracker, it's a Florida talk. That doesn't mean
yeah.
police. Feel me? So the cracker seeing me. Cracker
It
pulled me
says
over.
same one, same.
Yeah.
Oh, so
Nigga
if
pulled
they
me
know
over.
it, yeah.
Yeah, nigga pulled me over like, oh, Ennis, do I know you? I'm like, man, you just call my name, bro. He's like, what you got? I said, man, I ain't got name. See, I see it. I ain't gonna lie. I see the nigga. I had the weed in my hand. I see the nigga. I ate the shit. I ate the shit. I was already on point. I'm
Like
hoodlum.
everybody do.
Yeah, I'm on point. So I ate the shit. So when he see me like, what you got? I'm like, man, I ain't got nothing. So like, what you ate? I'm like, man, I ain't ate nothing. I don't know what you talking about. Nigga put me in car, sit me on the curb. Like, people walking past looking crazy. I'm looking crazy.
John,
The nigga like, where you, what you ain't breaking in the house no more? I'm like, man, I've been stopped doing that. He's like, nah, you just got good. We just can't catch you. I'm like, man, this cracker tripping. It's like, cracker, you tripping. You fit for real? I'm like, cracker, you tripping. So, cracker like, oh, nah, all right, I got something for you. So now the police pull up. They put me in the back seat. I'm like, damn, so I'm going to jail. Yeah, yeah.
yeah.
Yeah, you going to jail. I'm like, for what? He said, hold up, you got to write charges. So the nigga bring the paper, nigga saying, oh, possession of cannabis. I'm like, possession of cannabis? I ain't even had no weed, bitch. Then he got possession of cannabis, tampering with evidence, and um paraphernalia. I'm like, paraphernalia, bitch. That sounds like some needle or some shit. Paraphernalia. So I'm like, damn, where the paraphernalia come from? He like, oh, well, that's a grabber leaf. I'm like, paraphernalia from grabber leaf. Okay.
Gravally. Yo,
I'm like,
them
okay.
police.
So I'm in the backseat. I'm kicking on the door, all type of shit. Like, damn, bro, y'all niggas gonna take my life. I get dramatic. I'm on my dramatic shit. Nigga only been out 2 months, so I'm on my dramatic shit. Y'all crackers gonna try to take my life. That's what y'all crackers gonna do. I look, nigga got me on Snapchat. I'm like, damn, bro, you gonna record me like that, bro?
This one, yeah, in IG
Yeah.
part.
I'm in the backseat behind the girls. So I'm looking, I'm like, damn, so you gonna video me like that? Shit. All right, bro. Went down to main jail, murder she wrote, bro. I'm over here listening to these chain gang lawyers. Jitterbug, you got this. You got this, Jitterbug. Man, I know I got these. People say I ain't got shit. What? Thought shit was sweet.
John,
I'm cracking like, hold up, speedy trial, speedy trial. Yeah, you're looking at 30 years. 30 years. Hold up, bitch. 30. I went back to court, bitch. They talk about,
30 years. For what?
yeah. Violation of probation with no charge. So when a nigga go back to court now, I got a dumbass lawyer. Nigga charged for. All right, well, yeah. Nigga went back to court. I'm at the final VOP. Like, damn. Ain't we supposed to beat the new charge first before we go to VOP? Because the new charge violate me. He's like, oh, we got a deal for you. I'm like, yeah. He's like, oh, yeah, we're going to reinstate probation with a year on community control. I mean, a year community control. So I'm like, shit, I leave today? Today? He's like, yeah. Shit, where I signed that. I signed the paper, thought shit was sweet. All he got to do is open plea. Shit. Went up there, open plea. Guess the judge said I deny that.
John,
Right now, he look like Mr. Ennis ain't no good candidate for no probation. So I sentenced him to the max. I'm like, max? Hold up. So niggas like, yo, I'm saying this. I'm sentencing you to 62.7 months in Florida State Prison. 62 point. I'm like, hold up. 62.7. Bitch, only 12 come in 1 year. Real shit. Hold up, bitch, 62.
What?
Bitch. My lawyer coming over there. Hold up, it's gonna be okay. Okay, cracker.
Yeah,
Man,
you
you
know
hear
how
what
much months you
he's
just
talking
told
about?
me?
Bitch, 62,
62.
bitch. Fuck boy, bitch. Bitch, what the fuck? You done lied to me, bitch. You done talk, bitch. I thought I go home today. The cracker said, I know what he said. We gonna do a appeal. Cracker, you appeal. Man, fuck that shit, man. Went to the side, bit. Guess you know, I done already prepared. Cut my hair and all. I'm in the cell with a razor and comb, bitch. Fuck that shit, boy. Yeah,
Ready.
first nigga I see out there, boy, I'm smashing him. Oh, rip. No, my hot boy shit. Juvenile. Went out there. Guess you know, feel me? Nigga was off the chain.
I don't know. But we got your homeboy in here. I ain't really get your name, my boy. You know what I'm saying? You been quiet, but
Yeah, man. I go by Walnut, man. What's up?
so how you fit in this picture?
Man, I'm decent homeboy. That's just what it is.
Okay, so you wasn't down there with him, no?
Nah. I just be cooling it, man. I stay out the way, man.
You gotta keep this nigga out the way, man. But
You know it.
shit. But it so it's in there and
yeah, you know, gotta stay with that little banger. You know, that's what we call a pistol.
they never getting in a fight or nothing.
Yeah. I whoop a nigga with one hand one time. Nigga, oh man. Yeah, but it's a funny story too, bro. I'm gonna tell you
You say
that
who
story,
fight
bro.
nigga one hand?
Yeah, I had to whoop that boy with one hand, man. Nigga
Oh
pissed
that
me
out.
off.
Oh that.
I was selling Molly. I was a Molly man. My dad was a Molly man. I was selling Molly
I will
and
say
shit.
you have a
A little
thing
hustle,
there I
yeah.
get through it
So I sell a little nigga Molly. He tell me, I'm like, bro, I don't want to give you my shit, and you don't got my money to pay me, bro. Like, oh, my people don't say they gonna do it. I'm like, bro, all right, I'm gonna do it for you since you went to dorm with me. I'm gonna do it for you, but please have my shit, bro. I need my shit. Bitch, I ain't, bitch. Nigga ain't give me no money. I had to pay for this shit. Give me my shit. I need my shit. So get nigga my shit. And like the day he said he gonna give me, like 2 days passed. He ain't saying that. Like he ducking. When I'm watching him, he ducking me. But this what nigga do. He think I go to sleep at night. He just wait till nigga go to sleep. He jump down out the bunk and go to the little crowd where he be at and smoke the Molly. So I'm like, oh, he think shit sweet. All right. So one day I see him jump down there. Them boys, they rolling up Molly in the dark. He got that little tablet light up. I'm talking to my dog pool. I'm like, man, nigga think I'm pussy, huh? He like, what you talking about, bro? I'm like, legit over there, home 50 on the wire, bro. He think I'm pussy. He over there, all right, I got something for his ass. Dog like, nah, just chill. Fuck that. Walk over there, slap fire that boy. That boy jump up. What the fuck? That boy jump up. That boy like, what's up, babe? I'm like, man, put your shoes on, bitch. Tighten me up. Put your shoes on, Jit. Tighten me up. Nigga went to go get his shoes. I'm like, oh shit. This nigga bought it. I'm like, shit.
No, I expect that.
Damn, I really gotta whoop this shit. Some back there, he come back there, he put up his set, hit that boy, pop, pop, pop. That boy fell. I'm like, oh, he's sweet. He fell. I'm like, oh, tighten up, Jit. Hit that boy went leaking. Oh, I got sporty. I see two of my little brothers them coming there looking at me. Ooh, I got sporty. I got out of control. I put one hand behind my back. Went to beating that boy with one hand. I'm like, boy, better get my money up. Get on the phone, get my money up.
I don't know.
Hey, I ain't gonna lie, I got one more fight. But that was that work release with this one though. That crack over big. That crack over big, boy. That's a big ass crack. That crack like
Yeah,
230, 6'4".
big nigga.
I ain't gonna lie. The cracker had me at one point. Right? Real nigga shit, bro.
And drop up on the girl.
What? The cracker tried to boom me the whole fight. I'm whooped. I go on the ground, baby. We fucked around. We fell. We fighting with the cracker got on top. I'm like, damn, bro. That's how we doing it. I said, damn, cracker. This how we doing it. Damn, though. That shit that was straight though, bro. You just gotta stay out the way, bro. Stay away from the 3 G's, bro. Gay, gangs, and gambling.
All them shits get your ass beat.
Beat. You gonna get popped. We say pop, you get stabbed with a piece of
Stab.
fucking knife,
Mhm.
piece of fucking metal, piece of plastic. Shit get real up there, bro.
Yeah, serious. Which party did you?
I was at the Soto and I was at Martin.
Martin. Yeah, that's where I had got the email from Martin. But yeah, that shit's crazy, bro. You gotta stay out the way for real.
For real, man. You know how it is. That shit racist, boy.
Them places.
What? That shit racist for real. See that shit for real, for real. You see shit for really what it is.
That's true. So we want to tell the people them know. What do you want to like encourage the listeners? And again, guys, if you are listening and you want us to talk about a specific topic, go ahead and send us a voice message using the link down below. What kind of message you want to send to the people that's listening about prison or your experience? And,
Um,
'cause I mean, we all know it's not a good place to go, but it's better to hear it from someone that experienced it.
what can I say, man? Don't go. Um, for real, bro. That shit is not where it's at.
It's not where you want to be.
Because I see people going there with no habits, and man, dude, man, I see some crazy shit. Let's say I see some crazy shit, bro. Some shit you won't like for real. Some crazy shit, bro.
So I know
I
you
see some
had a phone in
crazy
there,
shit. Yeah.
but I really want incriminate it still is.
Well, I'm out now. I'm out now. That's yeah.
Yeah,
But we were talking on the phone when I was in there.
but
Yeah,
yeah,
at the phone.
so
At the phone.
all that reach in there, like
You know, people smuggle them in.
yeah,
You
we
know,
know that, but like
people. You got some. You got the finger
I might
phones.
just fling it to the
You got some of
and then
them.
I
Cause they got
the
all right. I can't give up I can't
what
give up the
shit
game
name?
because they still doing it right now. So
What the shit name? The yard, then I yard and man and just fling it over my fence.
they used to do that, but that got hot. So they got different ways. I can't really give up the ways because they still doing it, and ain't no telling who listening on this shit.
Right. That's
So
why all right.
just know, yeah,
That's
they.
why I really want to bring up the topic, but
You can, yeah, we get money in there.
yeah,
It's
but
a
no,
lot of money in prison.
I'm pretty sure everything I go through,
Fool ever going to prison right now?
just
This what you do, bro. Get you a hustle, dog, out the gate.
out the
Probably get
gate.
some cigarettes and boom the cigarettes.
Matter of fact,
If you,
yeah. So that's
you feel
exactly
me?
what you should do. So like, what you think? Like people that's going to prison right now, what they should do? Like their
Get you a
top three
hustle, bro.
shit. Like
Real shit.
should
Get
they
you a
stay to
hustle.
themselves? Should they like
Man, listen,
find a
get
little
you a
group
hustle.
or
Don't find no
How you
group.
stay out of trouble, man?
How you stay out of
Basically,
trouble? Find you a hustle. Stay to yourself, find you a hustle. People going, yeah. If you, yeah, man, that shit I ain't gonna lie. For people not on that, bro, damn, I don't know what. Just stay to yourself, brother. Be you. Don't try to fit in.
yeah,
Do
just stay
not
to
try to fit
yourself.
in, bro. Do not try to fit in, brother. Be you, bro. People try to come around you and try to hang and try to peep your vibe, brothers. You ain't feeling their vibe, brothers. You won't say too much. Probably read you a book or you feel me. It's hard to read. The person they want the most is the one they can't read. Feel me? That's the one they trying to seek. Oh, what you is, little bro? Where you from? All that little friendly shit right there.
Yeah.
Oh, where you is, little bro? Where you from? How you fuck with me? You don't know me. Anything you gotta be, but yeah, bro, I ain't on that. Look, keep to yourself. You gonna find a couple of niggas from your way. You gonna find a couple of people from your way, and know a couple of people you know, and you gonna make your way. It's like turf. It's like a world inside of a world. That's the best way to put it. A world inside of a world. You would get lost in that shit. Just don't get complacent with what's going on around you. You would get lost in that bit. People go crazy and shit.
Yeah, man. Different gangs, different
Oh
culture,
yeah,
and all that.
you got all kind of gangs. All kind of gangs. All kind of shit go down. All kind of man. All type of crazy shit go down, bro.
Shit, you ever experience anybody got like jumped while you sleeping or beat yeah sleep or any fight?
Yeah, I see people got fucking killed, bitch. I see people get
Mm,
stabbed up.
stab up on have a drag up on it
Yeah. I've been on me a couple of hey, you feel me, but I've been in the field too, but I seen it. I firsthand seen it. Like certain shit doesn't have to happen.
yeah.
It just has to go down like that. It's because it's the inmates really run the prison. That's their home.
Yep.
These CEOs, just, you work here, you come here, this your shift.
That's what you hear on any YouTube video that you watch too.
For real.
Inmates run the prison.
They run this. If we feel like this a problem, you want to snitch and you want to make it worse on us, all we going to do is wipe you down. Wipe you down, wipe her down, yeah, you're going to get wiped out. That's how you deal with the situation. Not saying it's the best way to do it, but sometimes you got to be a sacrificial lamb. Sometimes you got to have for the greater good, you know.
Yep.
Feel me though?
Gotta stay out the way, man. If you go to jail, prison, any type of, just stay out of trouble, bro.
For real.
Just stay out of trouble. You don't want to go down that road. That's
For real.
not the road we want to go down. But now you out, my boy. So what you got planned? What's your next
You
move?
know, man, get into the bag, bro.
Get to the bag. Stay out the
See,
way.
I've been hearing about the bag. When I was out here, it was having a check. Feel me? My era was the check era. I got me a check. Feel me? I come out here, everybody say they got the bag. Feel me? Everybody got a bag. I'm trying to find out where it's at. Feel me? Everybody got a bag right now. I'm trying to get the bag too.
Yeah, man, gotta get the bag for real. Find a job or something. You know what I'm saying?
Feel me?
Just a little side hustle. I mean, watch some car or
No, I ain't going.
shit.
Ain't nothing wrong with it
That's
for
not
people
your
out there
lane.
who doing that. I ain't saying something wrong with it. Don't get me wrong and all, but
We ain't going like that, man.
all
That's
right,
not
then.
your lane, my boy.
Feel me? Feel me?
Very good sometimes.
Nigga ain't knocking none of y'all hustling. I just ain't going out like that.
All right. So we got about 10 minutes left. Anything you wanna say, my boy?
Walnut.
Damn, bro, my bad.
What's up?
I'm saying anything you wanna tell the people about yourself, about my dog here, like experience, your experience, like without him being around.
My dog, good deal, man.
I'm pretty sure you talked to him on the phone and shit like
Yeah.
that. So, like, how's that for you?
Basically, when that boy is locked up, keep that boy stayed up, stay positive, stay
Yeah,
motivated,
as you should, as you should.
stay focused. But that boy home now. We can't think about the past. We're in the future now,
Feel me though?
So
That's facts. That's
that
facts.
boy home,
Alright, so what you all right, just like you said, you gotta think about the future. So what you got planned? What you
trying to start a business, trying to start a trucking business
checking business?
next year. Yeah.
You like to be on the road and shit.
Yeah. That's what I'm looking to do, transport stuff, cargo, freight, stuff like that. But, everybody got their own path. Everybody got,
Yeah, true.
everybody got their
It
own
ain't a
way.
bad business, bro. I thought about it, but I don't know if I could be on the road all the time, bro.
It's up to you. It's up to you.
You know what I'm saying? I gotta sit somewhere for a little
You feel me though?
You go grind, and then, later on,
Feel me?
you go sit. You gotta put that work in.
You
Then
gonna
later
do
on you
like,
chill.
like 2 weeks straight on the road?
Nah, not
3
2
weeks.
weeks. Nah, I could come home every day.
Uh,
I could make money and come home every day. I could do that.
okay.
Probably be home
Yeah, cause
most of the week.
I know a few people they go on like road for like 2 weeks.
Nah, I ain't doing that.
And then stay home for the next 2 weeks.
Nah. The most I'll probably not be home for probably like 2 days. No, 2 days. I'll probably, go out of state, come back, next day type shit. But,
That's probably what I do too. Next day and then just bill and then come back.
yeah.
Yeah.
That's where the money at right now. I'm trying to tell you.
Yeah. Yeah, man, keep doing that, man. Next year, what you gotta you already said you starting your own business. You got a name?
That shit finna be called Road Fanatic Transport.
Road Fanatic.
Yeah. Finna transport cars, freight, shit like that.
Shit sound lit.
Yeah. I'm locked in, get a little truck, trailer type shit. Little setup.
Exotic cars and shit like that.
All that. I need that.
Yeah. That's bread right there.
Yeah.
You be seeing them niggas on the highway. Okay.
Them niggas eating. Them niggas know what's going on. It's good to start your own business, shit like that.
About like 3-4 cars. How much you think it's like one of them cars is? Like
Transport,
how much you get paid for like one?
It depends how far you go. Give me like a distance and I'll tell you. How far
just
like
let's say Georgia, if we in Florida right now. So
if you take one car from here from Fort Lauderdale to Georgia, you probably make for one car probably like $300, $400 for one car.
3-4.
Yeah. But it's all about, you got 2 or 3.
Yeah, that's how I'm about to say. So like the 5 cars.
Yeah. If you get 5 cars, you make $1,500, $1,000 for a trip, $1,200 for a trip. That's good money.
Yeah, definitely. Yeah, man, do that shit. Shit, I'm at the studio. I'm saying? We do photos, parties, videos. We do everything, man. Honestly, we got nail tech in here, hairstylist, all that. And then check out the website, OG Studios with a Z at the end. You know what I'm saying? Instagram and all that. So, cut up.
Yo.
We used to fucking sneak out of here. Come on,
Drive. What the fuck was wrong with that?
And fucking.
What the fuck?
Steal your mom car and drive up and down the road for no reason.
A nigga used to drive more without the license. Nigga got the license and stopped driving. Stop wanting to drive.
Too. That shit don't make no sense.
Nigga got the license and don't want to drive no more.
As soon as you get your license, you get your first ticket.
Nigga without license, nigga driving bus late 3:00. Bitch, you a bit. What a nigga, ghost rider. You a late night rider. You a ghost rider.
Shit to do.
As soon as you get the license, bitch, you ain't trying to do nothing. Nate Daniels.
Yeah. You ain't trying to get no ticket, no police, no nothing. But yeah, man, you know what I'm saying? This is the gas station.
We're at the gas station right now.
Gas station right now, man.
Gas station probably.
If you ain't pumping no gas at the gas station, man, filling that tank up, you deadery, man. You can't be riding on E, man. Most definitely, you gotta be smoking that gas.
Exactly.
Gas station.
Exactly. Man, I appreciate y'all boys for coming through tonight, giving us this interview. You know what I'm saying? Just as my dog from him followed the first 2 weeks.
You see that?
You know what I'm saying? So
see what I like.
We gotta catch up, bro. Got a whole lot of shit to catch up on, for real.
For real though. Feel me though.
But yeah, make sure y'all stay tuned to the gas station, man. Every new episodes dropping every week.
I'm surprised the gas station ain't got no like videos or something. You gotta put some cameras up in the gas station. God damn. You want a nigga to rob the gas station?
Nah, on the there's gonna be cameras soon, but videos are dropping on the YouTube channel, the Gas Station Podcast. Just look for our logo. Artist interview coming up this Sunday, so stay tuned for that podcast.
Object bingo.
This is YS Team YS from St. Louis, some St. Louis boys, man. Open mic every Friday night. They came and
St.
showed out.
Louis.
Yeah, they from St. Louis.
Oh, so they gonna spit it. They gonna spit some shit.
Yeah, that's they was here last Friday at the open mic.
Oh, that's them boys who were turning up.
Yeah, yeah, yeah.
Okay.
So they've been supporting me, you know what I'm saying? So I'm gonna go ahead and interview them boys and get them a little support.
Tell them
back.
I'm on next. I'm gonna spit something.
Yeah, or just show up to the open mic Friday. I don't know if I'm gonna keep it this Friday, but probably next week. Next week,
We gonna see.
we gonna see. But stay tuned to the gas station. It's your host, Pree, with the most.
All right.
And we out.